Hello and welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your trusted channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. In today's update, we dive into the movements in gold prices following a significant decision by the US Federal Reserve. On Friday, gold prices recorded a modest uptick after the Federal Reserve announced a widely expected quarter-point interest rate cut. This move comes as the central bank attempts to balance a cooling labor market with its commitment to sustaining economic growth. Spot gold prices edged up by 0.1%, reaching $2,708.89 per ounce, though it remains nearly 1% lower for the week. Similarly, US gold futures gained 0.4%, climbing to $2,716.40 per ounce. The Federal Reserve's decision, made after a two-day policy meeting, lowered the benchmark overnight interest rate to a range of 4.50% to 4.75%. Policymakers cited a generally eased job market as a contributing factor. This rate cut provided much-needed support to gold prices, which had already rebounded more than 1% in the previous session, erasing earlier losses triggered by Donald Trump's US presidential election victory. Gold is often seen as a reliable hedge against economic uncertainty, especially in low-interest rate environments that reduce the opportunity cost of holding non-yielding assets. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell highlighted the central bank's commitment to closely monitoring economic data. He emphasized that future adjustments to the pace and level of interest rate changes will depend on inflation trends as it moves toward the 2% target. US labor data also indicated a slight rise in unemployment claims last week, pointing to minimal changes in job conditions. However, factors like weather events and labor strikes likely impacted October's employment growth. As of now, markets are pricing in a 74% probability of another 25 basis point rate cut in December, marking what could be the third reduction this year. Investor demand for gold remains strong. According to the World Gold Council, gold-backed exchange-traded funds, ETFs, saw inflows for the sixth consecutive month in October. For the first time this year, year-to-date flows turned positive. However, China's central bank has maintained a pause on gold purchases for reserves, continuing this trend for the sixth month. Mixed movements in precious metals. In other precious metals, silver slipped slightly, down 0.1% to $31.98 per ounce. Platinum rose by 0.3%, trading at $1,000.35 per ounce. Palladium remained stable at $1,024.40 per ounce. The Federal Reserve's policy actions and labor market dynamics continue to influence gold prices and the broader precious metals market. With another potential rate cut on the horizon, the coming weeks will be critical for assessing investor sentiment and market trends. Thank you for tuning into Ajayastro Mini Guru. Stay connected for more insights and updates on global commodities. If you found this analysis valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.